Hi universe, I'm AG, and in today's video let's learn about set theory. So what is a set? It's a collection of objects. Whatever is contained in the bag, they are the set. From now on we will refer to the set with uppercase letters and to its elements with lowercase. We are going to use this equal symbol to say that a specific element or group belongs to the set, like you can see right there. There are two ways to specify a set. The first one is by naming its elements, and the second is by giving a math expression. Now, in a piece of paper, let's write an expression for each of these sets. The S set will hold all even positive integers less than 9. And the second set contains every odd integer greater than 4. Now, give a true or false as the answer. Is number 8 contained in the D set? True or false? And this is false. The D set only will contain all integers, and number 8 is an even one. Another one. Is number 3 contained in the D set? True or false? False. The condition excludes numbers less than 4. It's not practical to list all the set elements. We usually give an expression that represents it. Let's consider 3 sets, E, F, and G. When we reduce and expand the E set expression, we obtain that positive 1 and 2 are contained. And that takes us to another important set property. In a set, the quantity of the elements is not relevant, only its existence. Going back to our bag example, no matter the duplicates, these two sets contain exactly the same objects, and both are equivalent. So we say that E, F, and G are the same set that contains 2 and 1 as elements. Now, let's introduce the subset. An element or group of elements that is contained in a set can be a set by itself. An easy way to check a subset is by this rule. As an example, A is a subset of B, but B is not a subset of A, because at least one element is not in A. Now let's consider these 3 sets, A, B, and C. C is a subset of A, true or false? That's true. 1 and 3 are part of set A. C is a subset of B, true or false? True. B contains all C elements. B is not a subset of A. True or false? And that's true. B is not a subset of A. It doesn't have the number 5. A is not a subset of B. True or false? And that's true. A will never be a subset of B. Let's remember the numeric sets. The natural numbers are those who can be counted by hand, so 0 is not one of them. Integers contains positives, negatives, and 0. If a number can be expressed by a fraction between two integers, it is a rational number. So, is 0 a rational number? True or false? True. 0 can be expressed by a fraction between two integers, and that matches the condition. The real set numbers contains rationals and irrationals. By example, the root of 2 is a number irrational. Finally, the complex numbers will not be used for now. Last but not least, every set that exists is part of a whole set called the universal set. And the empty set does not contain numbers, so the empty set is part of every other set. Well, for now this has been a widely introduction to set theory. Thank you very much for watching our video and see you on the next episode.